Welcome to DIY crochet knitting, your ultimate destination for enhanced word of hand knitted animal and birds model. Whether you are a seasoned kniter, a curious beginner, or simply an admirer of intricate handmade crafts, our channel is designed to inspire, educate, and delight. At Needy Knitters, we believe in the magic of transforming a simple ball of yarn into lifelike, adorable creature. Our channel offers a treasure trove of tutorial tips and techniques to help you create your own knitted zoo. From the majestic grace of a knitted owl to the playful charm of a tiny fox, each of your videos guide you to step by step through the process, ensuring you achieve beautiful, professional results every time. Falling in this in this channel, you will find detailed tutorial. Follow along with our easy to understand detailed tutorial that break down complex knitting patterns into manageable steps. We cover everything from basic stitch to advanced technique, pattern walkthroughs, to get access to exclusive downloadable knitting pattern for a variety of animal and birds. Our pattern walkthrough help you understand and execute each step with confidence. Pro tips and tricks, learn insider tips and tricks that will elevate your knitting skills, from selecting the right yarn and needles to mastering intricate detail that bring your models to life. Creative inspiration, discover creative ideas and inspiration to personalize your knitting animals, making each one a unique piece of art. We share color palette, customization options, and creative embellishment to make your creation truly special. Join our vibrant community of knitting enthusiasts. Share your work, get feedback, and be inspired by the amazing creations of fellow knitters from around the world. Subscribe to DIY crochet knitting and embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship. Let's knit a world where each stitch tells a story and every knitted animal or bird become a cherished companion. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial and join our community of passionate knitters today. Happy knitting! Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forest, there lived a talented knitter named Clara. Clara was not just any knitter, she had a magic touch that brought yarn to life. Her specialty hand knitted animals and birds that seemed to leap from the page of a storybook. Every day, Clara would visit by her window, the sunlight filtering through ice curtain, casting a warm glow on her workspace. With each stitch she made, Clara infused love, patience, and a bit of magic into her creations. Let's follow Clara as she embarked on her latest project, a charming knitted fox. She started with the body, choosing a soft rust colored yarn. Using the garter stitch, Clara carefully counts her row, ensuring each one is even, smooth, and even. The garter stitch, with its rigid texture, gives the fox body a realistic look resembling fur. Clara follows a meticulously detailed pattern. She begins by casting on 40 stitches, then knit each row, gradually shaping the fox torso. As she knit, she constantly checks her tension, making sure it's neither too tight nor too loose, ensuring the fabric is just right. Next, Clara switches to a creamy white yarn for the fox belly. She uses the intarsia knitting technique seamlessly integrating the new color into the existing fabric. This technique involves twisting the yarn together at each color change to avoid holes, creating a smooth transition while the body complete. Clara move on to the legs and tails. She used a smaller set of needles to achieve a tighter knit, giving these parts a firm structure for the legs. She knit in the round, creating a seamless tubular shape. The tail with its bushy texture is crafted using the loop stitch, adding a delightful fluffiness. Every stitch brings Clara close to her vision. She carefully sews each piece together using an invisible seam techniques to ensure the joints are smooth and unobtrusive. The final touch is the face. Clara uses black embroidery floss to create the eyes, nose, and mouth with tiny, precise stitches. She brings the fox to life, giving it expressive, playful look. And there it is, a beautiful hand-knitted fox ready to be shown to join Clara's growing collection of woodland creation. Each of Clara's creation is a labor of love, a testament to the art of hand knitting, from the majestic owl with its detailed feather pattern to the tiny, delicate hummingbird with shimmering yarn. Clara's knitted animals and birds are more than just decorations. They are stories brought to life, yarn and needles. So, whether you are a seasoned knitter or just beginner your journey, remember that with each stitch you can create a bit of magic. Welcome to the world of hand knitted animals and birds, where imagination and craftsmanship intertwine to bring stories to life. Join us on this enchanting journey. Subscribe to DIY Crochet Knitting for more stories, tutorials, and inspiration. As we come to the end of our exploration, let's say a beautiful goodbye to our beautiful audience. Hope so you liked the video. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Until next time, keep crafting and let your shine, creative shine with DIY crochet knitting. See you in the next video. Goodbye.